Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of R&D Garage. Today we are unboxing something from Wiha that I'm super excited about, and I can't wait to show you what it is. You guys, if you follow Wiha on Instagram, like you totally should, because they're one of my sponsors and they've been very good to me and to a lot of people I know. Follow them because they have some amazing tools coming out right now. And I have a feeling this is something to carry some of those amazing tools in, so let's get to it. Oh, and by the way, there are a couple of good things about living in California still, one of which it's 73 degrees today and it's the end of February. So I'm just gonna get that out of the way. Let's open this. And as always, thank you so much, Wiha, for all the tools you've sent me. Like I said, you've been so good to me and I very much appreciate it. Tell my trainer is watching right now. He's like, I'm gonna work you good next week. It's been a while. It is. It's the heavy hauler tool bag. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay. So I'm gonna slowly reveal the plastic wrap off of her right now. I'm gonna bring you guys in closer in a second, but let's just take a moment to look at this. Oh, she is so gorgeous. Oh my God, thank you, Wiha. So right away, you can see the strong rubber handle right there. These nice thick straps. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is amazing. Okay, come a little closer. I'm gonna show you something. Okay guys, let's show a little bit more detail with this heavy duty tool hauler bag by Wiha, because man, it is fantastic. The first thing my eye goes to is this heavy duty handle. Hard plastic and then kind of softer plastic interlay, which makes it great for gripping. Let's say, your hands have like oil on them or something like that, it's still possible. And in case you're looking to put this in, well, obviously you're gonna put it in your truck or car after, but let's say you're, don't have a whole lot of space, you need to kind of like confine it a little bit, the handle moves back and forth. So you can put it in any position you want. So obviously, the second place my eye goes is the bottom, the hard plastic. I mean, obviously if you tilt it all the way down, it's gonna fall, but look how sturdy this is. You can put this on any surface, which I will eventually show you when I take this bad boy to pick and pull, and it will not fall down. It is absolutely fantastic. Okay, let's get to the pockets. So if you saw my video with Miran during SEMA that they just posted recently, I was like, ooh, sunglasses, because I'm always wearing sunglasses, prescription. Anyway, this is so nice and padded in here. You can put all your eyewear in here, and actually, I don't know about you, but I got a pretty expensive iPhone that I just bought, and that's gonna fit in there perfectly too while I'm at pick and pull. So that's a great pocket. And then I also noticed all these zippers are YKK, which means Wiha didn't skimp at all. They're literally the best zippers in the business. So you're getting bang for your buck right here. Okay, let's show some of these pockets. Oh, look at that. So you can obviously put ratchets, screwdrivers, what have you in there. It's got two more pockets down here, which you can use maybe for paperwork or receipts, something like that. And then we've got all these MOLLE on the front part, which is great. Shove ratchets, whatever you want down there, that totally works. Big logo, they want you to know what it is. And obviously I'm partial, I love Wiha, so looks good to me. Okay, let's get to the side. We've got more MOLLE right here, more storage options. On the other side, we have this little pouch. Opens up just like that, so you can Velcro whatever you want in here. I love these things. They're all over my car actually too. So that's a great plan right there. And the back, I am super stoked about, because first of all, we have these super thick, richly made straps, which you can see it's kind of got like the open weave right there. And so if like you're hot and you're sweaty, you're walking through pick and pull, through like a brand new house you're building, whatever, if you sweat, it's okay because these are breathable. And then we've got the back. I mean, it looks like a bodybuilder's chest right there. Like, it's freaking awesome. But you're gonna feel that on your back and go, oh, thank goodness, I'm not feeling a hammer in the middle of my back. I'm just feeling nicely padded. Backpack by Wiha. Okay guys, now that I've shown you all the features on the outside of the bag, let's take a look inside. So here, using my YKK zipper, we've got, oh, look at that. Okay, so the first thing my eye goes to is the limiter, which is awesome because obviously you can put it on, you can take it off, but this makes sure, like, let's say you're in a super muddy pick and pull or wherever you are, super muddy space. Now your bag isn't going to get dirty. The front, you know, like the tongue of the bag isn't going to like slop into a mud puddle. That works there. And I'm going to take this off so I can show you even more. It's brand new, so it gets a little bit stiff. There we go. Okay. So now there's a space. Obviously there's places to put more tools inside and outside, but also there's a space. I don't know if you guys can see that at the bottom where it looks like you can put either a big water bottle, something like that, which obviously is your bag. You can totally do that. But let's say you're also walking through a wrecking yard and you see like a carburetor or something, alternator, and you're like, oh, I really don't want to carry this like the whole time. If your bag isn't stuffed to the gills with tools, like let's say you kind of put everything on the outside, you can just totally put a tool in this bag. Sorry, I got like super excited there. You can put, not just the tool in the bag, you can put the part in the bag. So you can have your alternator down there, you can have your carb, you can have whatever you pick up. Obviously pay for it, you guys. Don't just stroll out of the pick and pull with an alternator in your bag. But yes, it will easily fit in here. Okay, so we've got that. We've got, oh, hey, okay. So I don't know about you, but I'm pretty much chained to, oh gosh, being chained to social media isn't ever really a good thing to say. But let's say you really need your laptop with you. No problemo. So you can totally fit it right in here. And it's even got a nice little Velcro strap to help keep it maintained in its own position. We've got just oodles and oodles of storage space in here. Like, you can make this bag as light or as heavy as you want. It's kind of incredible. You can make it your own. Wiha, that's your new logo. So yeah, I mean, I don't think there's very much left to say about this amazing, wonderful bag. So I'm just going to let it go there. And guys, pick it up because it's on sale right now. I'm not going to say how much. You're going to have to go on Wiha and figure it out. But I'll put the part number in the video down below. So I think that pretty much wraps this up for now. Again, thank you, Wiha, so much for this backpack. I can't wait to take her out and use her and beat the crap out of her, because also, you guys, Wiha has a no hassle return warranty policy. So keep that in mind. Yay! Thanks again, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Like I said, I will probably be making a lot of reels with this guy. So again, thank you, Wiha. Thank you, everybody who watched. If you like this, subscribe.